In this video we'll talk about editing, so like how to move a line up and bottom, how to copy a line while moving, how to delete a line, how to put a cursor on several lines, how to comment out a single and multiple lines, how to delete to left, how to delete to right, how to cut a line, how to open a certain file in a new like VS Code instance. So let's say we want to move this line down. We just do Alt arrow key down, up Alt arrow key up, like this. And if you do Alt Shift arrow key down, it will copy the line down. If you do Alt Shift arrow key up, it will copy the line up. To put a cursor on several lines, let's say our cursor is here, Command Alt arrow key down, and if we do up, it will arrow key up, and we can start writing from those lines. This is important because sometimes you come here and you say like console.log and something like this. To comment out one line is Command question mark or backslash. To make multi-line comments, it's Alt Shift A, so we can write a multi-line comment. Here it's not good here, but if we come here, Alt Shift A, to delete left, Command backspace. To delete right, Control K. To cut a line, say this line, Command X. To open this file, the specific file, say we have many files open, but we want to open this file in a new instance of Visual Studio Code, Command K, then O.